Hello! In this video, you will learn how to load and understand your Degree Planner report. Begin by navigating to your Degree Planner. Underneath the Past Courses box, click Preview Plan. Here, you will see the entirety of your career in one full page. Your academic plans will display on the top of the page. Underneath, you will see your name, ID number, academic program, and plans in which you are enrolled. There will be one line for each plan that you have. The report will begin with the most current term and continue to the final term in which courses are either planned, suggested, or remaining to be planned. Requirements and courses you have completed will appear under the final term and will say Past Courses. This will include the grade, the term completed, units, and if it was completed by transfer credit or test credit. The goal of this report is to have all requirements planned in full. This will assist you in creating your enrollment selections for the future, and this gives programs notice on what courses to make available and how many seats are needed.